Lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the opening act wig from Raquel Welch in the color RL4/6, also known as Black Coffee. So just so you know, I did a comparative wig sort of color spotlight that is on this main channel that discusses all of the Raquel Welch dark browns. This one is not a black color at all, even though it says that it is. It's a dark brown mixed with a medium brown, just so you know. So there's not even dark brown in this blend. But I digress. You can watch that video if you want to hear more. This one is mostly about opening act. This is a true to life fiber wig, so it is heat friendly. In short styles, that is awesome because you can manipulate this hair to do all kinds of stuff. And because the tendency of Futura fibers is to want to clump together, you can use that to your advantage to style a wig like this. Another great one that's a shorty do like this is maybe something like Ignite by Jon Renau, which is a heat friendly style. But see how it just kind of stays in place and I don't even have to put anything on it? By the way, this has a great lace front, as you can probably tell, which makes this even cooler because you can do all sorts of fun stuff with this wig. I am really enjoying this wig. I put it on to take some photos of it to accompany the product. Look how great that part is. It's just single monofilament, but this is a very well-made wig, this sample is. And it is so much fun to play with because it's short and it's made of this heat-friendly fiber. I'm not a huge fan of heat-friendly fibers on long styles. They tend to clump a lot, and that doesn't really work well with, you know, the notion of long flowing locks. But if you want to look like you've spent a long time styling your hair without really having to do much of anything at all, that Futura fiber is a huge advantage here. Now that I've got her kind of styled a little bit, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what this one looks like on all sides. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this one so far. The front on this is 4.75 inches, so it's kind of long. I mean, it is styled in this sample off the face a little bit, which is kind of great. But if I were wearing this down, I would have to cut the fringe a little bit shorter because that's just a really long length to be down. The lace front on this is great. The monofilament features in general on this sample are wonderful. I like the way the hair feels. It does feel like it's had product added to it, though it hasn't. That's just an attribute of this Futura fiber. There's nothing on this wig. It just kind of stays in place. Here, let me take the cap off. And so don't worry when you take a wig like this off and you can kind of see through it. Lace features tend to be transparent. That's kind of the point. So if you're worried about that, like let's say you have bio hair under here like more than I do, your best bet is just wear a wig cap or a wig liner under here. Let's see what this cap looks like. As you can see, it is a contoured, pre-cut, transparent lace front. There is a seam between that and the monofilament top. There is permatease in this wig. It's right at the crown to give it a little bit of lift and structure. And that's where that's located, right at the crown there. And then we've got memory cap technology, which is this great sort of proprietary elastic. We've got closed felt here on the ear tabs and an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. I think this wig is relatively stretchy. It's comfortable on. I love all the felt at the perimeter of the cap. It's great, especially when you have a little bit of stubble here like I do, because it sort of helps catch that felt and the wig stays on securely. That puppy isn't going anywhere. And it doesn't feel like it wants to ride up or anything like that. Now this is not a large cap wig. If you have a large ear to ear or a lot of hair that you're trying to secure up underneath your cap, this wig may be too small for you. But I think this one fits true to average, but has some potential for stretch, which is a good sign from a wig that has a monofilament top. So this is Opening Act by Raquel Welch. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching our wig reviews. Hopefully you find them helpful, and if so, make sure you mosey on over to our wig store so you can see what we're all about. Until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.